So if you want to do calculations, what you would do is go to Tools and Prepare Form. So now we see our salary, right? We got hours worked, and we got salary per hour. So if you double click over here, you go to Calculate. You can do the product. Let's say value is the product, and you can pick certain fields. So in this case, I picked salary per hour, and I picked hours. And now, when you want to calculate salary, let's say hours worked is 2,080. We'll just make it 2,000 in a year, and salary would be $20 an hour. So you see, salary automatically is 40 grand. And that's how you basically do most calculations in Adobe.